In this video I will show how to download and install Firefox web browser in Windows 11. Let's get started by opening your Edge web browser and search for Firefox. Okay. Now browse mozilla.org. Okay. Now click on download now. Okay. Now open download folder and now open Firefox installer. Now click on get app from store. Search for Firefox. Click on Mozilla Firefox. Now click on get. This will take a while for downloading Firefox web browser. Okay, download complete. Now installing Firefox. Okay, Firefox installed successfully. Now open Firefox. Okay, if you want to make Firefox as a default browser, click on here, otherwise click on not now. Okay, now you can import your password, bookmarks and more in Firefox from previous web browser. Click on this button, otherwise click on not now. Okay, now select the color theme. Okay, from here otherwise click on not now and start browsing Mozilla Firefox web browser. Okay, if you like this video, give a like for this video, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.